Can't see network problem, sir.
Okay, keep quiet.
Okay, sir.
Write this. The eighth question, it is given that Ramu cycle to go to school. The speed is 5 km per hour. Means 1 hour he can cover 5 kilometers. If he travel 2 hours, he can go 5 plus 5, 10 kilometers. If he travel one more extra hour, he will go 5 kilometers more. That is 15. If he travel 4 hours, he will go 20 kilometers. So it will take 4 hours to reach the school because 20 kilometers distance from the school. This is analyzing method. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour like this. If you want to do directly, total distance is 20 kilometers. Speed is 5 kilometer per hour. So 20 kilometers by 5 kilometers will give the time taken, that is 4 hours. You can do in any method. Choice is yours.
Over, sir. Sir, I can't see someone.
Sir, over, sir. Geet Kanavasri.
Similarly, you can try the ninth question.
Okay, sir.
Sir. Sir, not over, sir. Now night came, sir. Please.
Don't shout. I have told you if anything is there in the chat box. Don't shout. Don't disturb the class. If you want to say anything, just give in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Ninth question. Next question is Ramu using auto instead of cycle to reach early because cycle takes a lot of time. The speed of the auto is 10 km per hour. This is 10 km per hour. That is the meaning of this 10 km per hour. So in 1 hour, you can travel 10 kilometers. 1 hour, he can travel 10 kilometers. What about 2 hours? When 1 hour is 10 kilometers, 2 hours he can travel 20 kilometers. And the distance is 20 kilometers only. So 2 hours.
We have to write the distance of
What is the
school.
spelling there? Auto or sir?
Who is talking there?
Auto.
Speed of auto is 10 kilometers per hour. So 1 hour he can travel 10 kilometers. Then 2 hours he can travel 10 plus 10, 20 kilometers. So it will take 2 hours to reach the school if we go by auto. Or you can do by this method also. 20 kilometers by 10 kilometers. So 2 hours. 2 hours is the answer. You can do directly or you can do like this also. Any method you can follow. If it is big number, division will be easy. Small number, you can do like this. It is a simple logic question. No mathematics needed. 1 hour 10 kilometers, 2 hours 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers can be covered in 2 hours. That is the answer.
Sir, no, sir, I cannot see, sir.
Sir, next question. No, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Wait.
No, sir.
Who completed keep quiet? I have told you many times. Who completed keep quiet? Let others take. Completed keep quiet. Don't shout. If completed, write in the chat box completed. If you shout in the class, I have to mute all of you. After the class, the video will be shared in the group. Those who are not able to take the solutions, they can take it.
Sir, I can't see neatly, sir.
I have told you maybe it is your net problem. Don't tell repeatedly. Why again you are telling? You can't say me it is your net problem. Internet check your internet connection and packages. If you shout that you can't see, what can I do? I told you that I am going to share the video. If you can't see, look at the video. There you can copy the answer. So don't shout. If you have any problem, write in the chat box. PDF file is already sent. Who is again asking PDF file? This worksheet is already shared in the group last class itself. Answers, I will share the video, not the PDF. You have to take the answer in the class itself. Don't wait for the video and everything. Navateja Sai present. Which section? I have told you to write a name and section.
Good morning, sir.
So that side one is 10th one, sir.
No, 10th one not yet done.
Now what is it, sir?
This is the 9th question answer. This is the same answer, division method. Which no need to take.
Okay, sir.
Now question number 10. Question number 10. There are 4-year-old cave paintings marked the oldest. 3,000 years old painting. 7,003 years old painting. 3,700 years old painting. 730 years old painting. Out of these 4, which one is the oldest? Which one is the oldest painting?
7300.
3,000 years ago. 3,000 years ago. 7,300, very long time. This is 730. So 7,300 years is the oldest painting. The oldest one is 7,300.
Yes, sir. One hundred 75, sir. Answer is
175, sir.
answer is
Question number 11th one. You want the latest painting. Chandra Kiran, why your video is off? Manas Kumar, why your video is off? Akshara, your video is off. Blessy, your video is off. Taranam, your video is off.
good, sir.
Avilash, why your video is off?
Sir, 12th one is 50, sir.
I have not gone for
Sir,
12th one. Don't shout. I have told you, don't give the answer. I have not asked you the answer. Why you are shouting in the class? 12th one is not yet done. Why you are shouting? I have told you, if you want to give the answer, go to chat box and give. Don't disturb the class. Always shouting in the class. Obviously, your video is off. Ganesh, why your video is off?
Welcome to Royal Road. Now ready to connect. Bluetooth mode.
Twelfth one. One bus can carry 24 passengers. One bus can carry 24 passengers. Two buses can carry. One bus can carry 24 passengers.
Sir, answer is 48.
I have not asked the answer. Why you are giving the answer? Huh? Just now I told you to keep quiet. I have not asked the answer. Why you are giving the answer? If you want to give the answer, go to chat box. Don't disturb the class. Better to mute all of you. Disturbing the class from the beginning. Now you can't give the answer. Just keep quiet. One bus can carry 24 passengers. Two buses means 24 plus 24, 48 passengers. But there is no answer 48 given. Option is 120, 50, 40, and 90. 48 is not there. Then which one is correct? 48 is not there. So we can go for 50. Because if 48 can be accommodated in a bus, by adjusting them, two more extra passengers always can be accommodated. Two, three more, up to 5 passengers always you can accommodate by adjusting them. Suppose 2 members have to sit in one seat, you can ask them to 3 members. Those who are lean people, thin people, you can ask them to adjust it. So 48 is not there, so you have to go with 50. Don't go with 40. 48 passengers, 40 is the answer. 40 can be accommodated, but 8 seats will be left. Where 50, 48 can be accommodated happily. 2 extra persons also can be adjusted. When exact answer is not there, don't leave the answer. Go for approximate. 50 passengers can be accommodated happily because only 2 members extra, that can be done. You might have seen in the RTC buses, bus can carry more than the actual strength. By adjusting the people, you know this. Practically, you have seen. So that's why the answer is 50. 48 is not there. If 48 was there, that is our answer. Since 48 is not there, I'm going with 50. So that is the answer for the 12th one. One bus can carry 24 passengers. Two buses, 24 plus 24, 48 passengers. But 48 is not there. I'm going with 50. Copy this. Make it fast. How we did in the same manner, we have the next question. One bus can carry 48 children. 48 can be adjusted in one bus. 3 buses. So 48 plus 48 plus 48, 3 times. That is 144. 144 children can be accommodated easily in 3 buses. But 144 is not there. 150 is there. Yes, when 144 can be accommodated, by adjusting themselves, 6 more can be accommodated. So 150 is our answer. Same logic you can apply here. 12th and 13th both of same type. So complete the 13th also. Next, 14th question. I hope 13th is completed. 14th question. Which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? Options are given. You have to add them. Check which total is more than 500. Add this 152, 241, 393. We want more than 500. So this is not the option. Add the numbers. The total should be more than 500. That's what is asking. First one is not the option. 321 and 192. 321, 192. Yes, this is the option. This is the option. Other two can't be. If you want, you can check. He is asking the total. The total should be more than 500. The total should be more than 500. First one total is just 393. This is 513. So this is the right answer. Other two you no need to check. If you want, you can check. B Pavan, your video is off. B Pavan. Abhilash, Chandrakiran, Gyaneshwar, your videos are off. So that is the end of the questions. A trip to Bhopal, the revision of the chapter is completed. Before I conclude the class, 4 puzzles are mentioned here. These are the puzzles. These questions will not come for the exam. They are not examination point of view, but puzzles means to think, to give some work to your brain. So if you can give answers on your own, I feel very happy. If you are not getting, okay, I will give the answer. These questions will not come for the exam, that's sure. But just for the practice, these questions are given. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends. 3 toffees are left with me. So 4 toffees are given to 4 of his friends. 4 to 1 friend, 4 to 1 friend, 4 to 1 friend, 4 to 1 friend. Total 4 friends are there. 4 chocolates to each friend. That means 16 toffees are given. 16 are given. Still 3 are with me. So 3 are left with me. Total 19. 16 toffees given to 4 friends. 3 are with me. So total number of toffees. So 19, some people give the answer, very good. 16 is not the correct answer. 19 is the right answer. So there were total 19 chocolates. 4 given to them, 3 are with them. Next, second brain test. What numbers you can make using 3, 5, 7? 3, 5, 7. You can make some numbers. 357 is one number. 537 is another number. You can try all possible ways. 2 numbers I have given. You can try some other possible ways. 357, 537. Other possible numbers you can try and give in the chat box. I will check. 3507 is not correct. From where you got 0? 0 is not there, no? Vaishnavi, 735 is correct. 357 is already there. 357 is already there. 357 is there. 375 can be taken. 537 is there. 573 can be taken. With 7, 735, 753. Three five seven interchange 375. 537, 573. 3 in the beginning, 5 in the beginning. 7 is in the beginning, 735, 753. Arranging all possible ways. These arrangements you will get when you go to 11th class. Next. Third question. Make it fast. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3, 5, which comes between 25 and 50. The number should be divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 5. So that should come in the 2 table and 3 table and also in 5 table. Divisible means that should come in the table. The number which comes in the 2 table, the number which comes in the 3 table, the number which comes in the 5 table. So multiply 2 into 3 into 5. This will be 30. So 30 is the number which is divisible by 2, which is divisible by 3, which is divisible by 5 also. And 30 is definitely between 25 and 50. So 30 is the answer. Divisible number, a big number always comes in the table. It comes in the 2 table, 3 table, 5 table. Look at the last question. A small ant climbs 3 centimeters in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeters. It goes 3 centimeters, slips 2 centimeters. So altogether 1 centimeter in 1 minute. So 1 minute, 1 centimeter. In 2 minutes, 2 centimeters. So the answer is 2 minutes. Those who give right answer. Don't give answers repeatedly. Once given is enough. And climbs 3 centimeters, falls down 2 centimeters, slips down. That means altogether 3 minus 2, 1 in 1 minute, only 1 centimeter it can climb. It has to travel 2 centimeters, means 1 plus 1, 2 centimeters in 2 minutes. Ritvik, Balaji, sit properly. What are you doing there? Huh? No attention, nothing in the class. This worksheet is already shared. I will share the video after some time. Those who have not taken the solutions, they can please take the solutions. I will try to share one Google Sheet on this chapter. Let us see how much you prepared. Okay. So I will share the Google Sheet. Try to answer the Google Sheet. I will share the Google Sheet by tomorrow. Okay. That's the end of the class.